This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open the trunk of a Mazda CX-5. To open it from the outside, first locate the exterior release button, usually found just above the license plate. Press this button firmly, and you will hear the latch disengage. Then, simply lift the tailgate manually to access your cargo area. This is the most common and straightforward method for everyday use. Sometimes you might need to open the trunk from inside the vehicle. Look for a small lever or button typically located on the floor or lower dash, often to the left of the driver's seat. Pull this lever upwards or press the button to release the trunk latch. Remember, you will still need to go to the rear of the vehicle and lift the tailgate manually. For convenient remote access, your Mazda CX-5 key fob includes a dedicated trunk release button. Simply press and hold this button for approximately 2 seconds. Depending on your model, the tailgate will either unlatch, allowing you to lift it, or it may automatically power open. This feature is especially handy when approaching your vehicle with your hands full. In an emergency, or if the battery is dead, you can use the internal emergency release. This is a small, often glow-in-the-dark, lever or button located inside the trunk on the tailgate itself. For models with a power liftgate, you can close it by pressing a button usually found on the lower edge of the tailgate, or sometimes on the key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.